Welcome back, folks, to Burnouts and Outboards. Luke's behind the camera. My name's Corey, and we're out here in the garage today messing with the old Grady White. Last season, well, 25 summer season, we had a trim tab cylinder blow out on us coming back in. And when we got back to the ramp, we noticed a little bit of oil in the water. Well, come to find out, this is our culprit here. So we got this pulled off. We're going to yeet that. We got a brand new one here, straight from Bennett Marine. Thank you guys. We're going to be installing it today, and we bleed into the system and get these things working again, because trim tabs are very useful when you have a lot of load on the boat. Also, we're going to be taking out the old oil tanks that are on the boat from the old 2-stroke Yamahas that we had. But now we have brand new Yamaha 4-strokes. So there's no need for the oil tanks, so we're going to be ditching them. And we're going to clean things up, and we're taking you all along with us today. So stay tuned. All right, guys. We're down here where the trim tabs are located. I already got the area cleaned up. Got new Teflon on the hydraulic fitting. And Grady White kind of made this simple for us. You just unscrew it, screw it back on, and 5200 it and call it a day. It was easy to get to. A few screws, came right on out. So let's put the new one on. Here, Luke, see if you can hold that light for me. See if we can get one more turn on it. All right. We're going to go over here and get our screws in our 5200, since this is underwater. $5,200. A rag, because you know that stuff's like anti-seize. You look at it, it gets all over you. Luke's behind the camera laughing at me. One simple thing turns into a mess. Always. Alright guys, here we are down below, and there's the pump right there. That's the hydraulic pump for the trim tabs. This little guy Right here is how you fill her up with transmission fluid on the front left corner. And what we're going to try to do is put some fluid in it without making a huge mess. And everybody wants to talk about my little contraption there. Yes, that is an old water bottle that I did dry out, clean it out. There's no water in it for all you folks. All right, check back after we get some fluid in it. All right, she's full of fluid now. Did not make a mess like I expected. So we're gonna go back up top now and start moving the tabs and check for leaks and purge the air out. All right, guys, we got the cylinder on. System is bled. As you can see, that's the new one. Tabs are down. Port side, tabs are down. Now we're gonna start working on taking the old oil tanks out now. All right, guys. That's going to do it for today. We got one oil tank out. It's sitting over there on the workbench. We didn't film any of it because it was a huge pain in the butt. We should have gotten those taken out when the motors were installed. Still got one in the boat. We're going to do that at a later time. But for today, I think we're done. We do have another 100-hour service we got to do to the motors. We got those sitting in a box, all the oil and fluids. So we got that coming up for the boat. We got to get ready for the 26 summer season. But that's going to wrap it up today. If you stuck along this long, I greatly appreciate it. Give us a follow, a like, subscribe, tell all your friends, family. It would greatly help us out. And thank you guys. Have a good one.